Hello, everybody. Hello, champions. My name is Aaron, Champion Finance Community Manager, and with us today is Mr. Henry, handsome developer from Champion Finance. Okay, say hi to our champion, Henry.
Yeah, thank you, Aaron, and hi everyone, and hello, champions. I'm feeling pretty great to be here today, and I hope everyone else is also feeling great.
Definitely a great day and week for Champion Finance and on the champions out there. Yeah. Today we having our first MA where we're going to be covering some basic about Champion Finance. We're going to look at what's in the Champion Finance, why should you choose Champion Finance, and what is next for Champion Finance. Okay, so Mr. Henry will be our expert today. And Henry, could you introduce something about Champion Finance to newcomers?
Thank you, Aaron. Champion Finance is basically a town folk project with innovations. We are talking about the first cross-chain elastic-algorithmic token pegged to USDC. A cross-chain project basically means a project built on different chains. And at Champion Finance, we are first launching it on Avax. Basically, because from our point of view, Avax is the most active and potential network we have right now. Later on, we are going to expand to Phantom, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon to make the most of the advantages of these chains. One more thing I'd like to touch on, Aaron, is the aspect of elasticity. We all know what elastic basically means. It's able to stretch and be returned to its original shape or size. And an elastic token basically is a token whose supply is algorithmically adjusted in order to control its price. And in our project, we have two tokens. We have Victory, and we have Champion. Vic is pegged to USDC with a 1.1 ratio, and Champion, on the other hand, is the utility token that we're using to keep Vic close to its peg.
Yeah, that's great. So tell us why you decide to peg token to USDC. So what is the reason?
Unlike layer 1 native tokens, USDC is a stablecoin backed by USD and is the most stable one we have. We also have the advantage of transparency, and it's also fully backed by fiat collateral and not dependent on the potential future value, and especially regulated pursuant to US state money transmission supervision, and is subject to ongoing examination of SACO and its operations. Pegging our project to USDC gives it stability amid the downtrend and crypto winter like the one we're experiencing right now.
Yeah, I see. I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for your introduction. Users should have a clear view on Champion Finance. So, could you please explain further so that user can be more confident in the technology before investment, and tell what is the interesting and compelling about your project compared with others?
Yeah, like I said earlier, Champion Finance is a project with an elastic supply token that is weak, and we've deployed measures that will enable us to keep this token close to its peg. Let me talk about time-weighted average price, or TWAP. When the time-weighted average price is greater than 1, more VIC tokens will be printed in the boardroom to increase the circulating supply. Obeying the laws of demand and supply, the token's price will be held down close to its peg. That is, when the time-weighted average is greater than 1. Also, let's also look at a case when it's less than 1. And before that, let me take the opportunity and say that unlike many other projects out there, our project does not employ a bond mechanism, basically because it's weak and it's hard to move VIC close to its peg. So instead, we are using rebase for this purpose, and rebase will reduce the VIC tokens in circulation. Basically, the number of tokens in your wallet will be decreased, but at the same time, the price will be increased. So while the number of token decreases, the price is increasing. This way, the USDC value of your tokens before and after rebase still remains the same. And also let me point out that rebase only affects the VIC tokens that are in circulation. So unclaimed VIC rewards and in the boardroom and the VIC tokens locked in node pools won't be affected by rebase. And also the attractive yield comes from staking single token in boardroom and farming in farm pools. Also, nodes are added to increase the chance to earn high yields. So right.
Okay, thank you very much. But every day I saw a lot of rap projects out there, and I think it's hard for investor to find a trustworthy project. So how do you get the Champion Finance from the other project, and what makes it more reliable?
That's a quite well timed question there, Aaron. I'd like to announce to champions out there that audit and KYC reports have been made public, so that's pretty amazing for investors, right? And and also we have Genesis Pool, which is free of charge, and then we have boardroom, we have node, and we have farm for investors to start the investments. And besides, we also have a very clear and transparent roadmap aiming for long-term development with sustainably high yields for our investors. And one more thing for the second half of this year, Champion is intended to be listed on Auto Compound's partner CoinMarketCap. And as I mentioned earlier, Aaron, is that after Avalanche, Champion will also be launched on Phantom and BSC and Polygon. And we also have other use cases that will be coming later on down the project. We have Raffle, we have Launchpad, and we have lending and borrowing. And for my parting words too, I'd like to say that as much as I'm confident in our project, this is not financial advice. And so I would like to urge guys out there, you should do your own extensive research before making your investments.
That's right. Well, I think it's very clearly to our community to everybody understand about Champion Finance. And thank you for your time and sharing here today with Henry.
Thank you for having me, Aaron.
Okay, so I hope our community have done the research on Champion Finance and we can start next week. I cannot wait for you to support anymore. Welcome champions.
Thank you.
Thank you.